Hey there, folks. Welcome to my channel. Today we're about to embark on a mind-blowing journey. Get ready to discover the magical origins of a snack that has united us all, popcorn. But hold on a second. Before we dive into the popcorn universe, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our exciting future videos. And for all you popcorn enthusiasts out there, join our incredible community where we unravel the secrets of this iconic treat. Now let's have a little interactive fun, shall we? Did you know that popcorn dates back thousands of years to ancient Native American tribes? Crazy, right? And get this, the first popcorn wasn't made in a fancy microwave. Share any cool popcorn facts with us in the comments below. Remember, I'm here for all your comments, so don't hold back. Let's make tonight's video a riot of laughter and learning as we unravel the mysteries of popcorn's birth. Thank you for being here, and now, let the adventure